I got my month 3 of my Jimmy Beans knit kit. So let's see what we got. Okay, we've got part 3 of 3. It's actually really cute. I like how it's on the cardboard. We have scentless wool wash. And we've got more yarn. And a tape measure. Tape measure is really cute. So let me sit out the first, second, and third month so you guys can see what all I got with this. So the first month, I got my first part. I got, let me see, is this lotion or... This is a wool wash, a soak to wash your, whatever you make in it. I got yarn and I got the bag. I love this little bag. The buttons on it, the way it snaps, it's really nice. My yarn doesn't get stuck to it. I like it. The second month, I got more pretty yarn. The second card, a metal gauger. So you can see your needle size and do gauging if you need to. And it's metal, so it's not going to break on you. And I got some hand lotion. And of course, the third month. You can see here's the yarn. So all together, I ended up with 3 of, let me see, Barocco Ultra Wool and Denim. I want to say is what those are. And then I got 2 of, I'm not sure what this is. Let me look at this card.